Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, GTR Math Tutorial. So in this video, we will discuss how to find areas under the normal curve. So let us define first the standard normal distribution. So a standard normal distribution is a normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So basically, any normal distribution could be transformed into this type. So we can use the formula for C-score in transforming normal distribution into a standard normal distribution. But we will discuss that on the next video. So for now, we will focus on finding the areas under the normal curve. Okay, so we will use the standard normal distribution. So standard normal distribution, so yan, mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1. Okay, so here are the steps in finding the areas under the normal curve given a z value. So step 1, express the given z value into a 3-digit form. Next, using the z table, find the first 2 digits on the left column. Step 3, match the third digit with the appropriate column on the right. Then step 4, read the area or probability at the intersection of the row and the column. This is the required area. Okay, so yung area, probability din yon. Okay, so ito yung table natin. So meron tayong dalawang table in finding the area. So ito yung una, yung mga areas na ito, so yung mga numbers sa gitna. Yan, so itong mga numbers sa gitna, so yan yung probability or area under the normal curve. Okay, so pag gagamit kayo ng table, titingnan nyo lagi yung drawing. Yan, so yung drawing sa taas ay ibig sabihin, yung areas na nandito sa loob ng table natin, yun yung mga values between 0 and the given z, yung nasa gitna. So yung mga areas na nandyan sa loob ng table, so yun yung nasa between 0 and the given z. So sa paggamit ng table na ito, wala tayong negative tsaka positive. So dahil symmetrical nga siya, so ang gagamitin lang natin, so kung negative, sa positive pa rin tayo titingin. Okay, so yan yung unang table. Ito naman yung pangalawang table, mas madali ito. So meron ditong negative tsaka may positive. So tingnan niyo ulit yung drawing. So base sa drawing, diyan sa taas, yung area, so yung mga numbers sa loob niyang table, so yun yung area to the left naman. To the left of z. Mas madali ito dahil meron na siyang negative tsaka positive. So hindi na kayo malilito kung saan kayo titingin. So ang gagamitin nating table ay itong pangalawang table. Pero dun sa unang example na ibibigay ko, gagamitin natin parehas yung table. Para ma-compare lang, then sumunod yung puro itong to the left na lang. Okay, so balikan lang natin. So ayan, dalawa yung table natin. So itong una, ang values niya ay nasa gitna, between 0 and the given z. Itong pangalawang table naman ay nasa left ng z. Nasa left palagi. Okay, so example number 1. So find the area below z equals negative 1.2. So drawing muna natin. So use the standard normal distribution. Yeah, so we have, draw natin yung z equals negative 1.2. So estimate lang natin, nasa pagitan ng negative 1 and negative 2. So more or less, ayan yon. Then shade natin, area below. Pag sinabing below, to the left yon. So ito yung hinahanap natin na area. Okay, so yan yung area na hinahanap natin, below z equals negative 1.2. Ayan, ayusin lang natin yung graph. So yan na yung graph natin. So z is negative 1.2. Okay, so step 1, express the given z value into a 3-digit form. Since ang z natin is negative 1.2, 2 digits lang, so dagdagan natin ng 0 para maging 3 digits siya. Okay, so next, gagamitin natin itong table natin. So ang table natin, to the left of z. So negative, so kaya ang kinuha ko na lang yung negative, puro mga values ng negative. Then step 2, Using the C table, find the first two digits on the left column. Locate the negative 1.2 on the leftmost column of the C table. So hanapin natin dito sa part na to. Okay? So nasaan yung negative 1.2? Hanapin lang. So ayun na yung negative 1.2. Then yung third digit, hanapin naman natin. On the topmost row, locate 0.00. So natin yung 0.00. Ayun yung 0.00. So next step, the value corresponding to the intersection is the area below z equals negative 1.2. So kunin natin yung intersection nung left and topmost row tsaka column. So intersection nila, ayun. So yung area natin is 0.1151. Therefore, itong area na ito ay yung shaded part is 0.1151. So yun na yung ating area. So therefore, the area below z equals negative 1.2 is 0.1151. Or, convert in percent, so move lang natin yung decimal point 2 places to the right and put the percent symbol. So therefore, in percent, the area is 11.51%. 11.51% pag kinonvert sa percentage. Okay, so another, gamitin naman natin yung isang table natin. So ganun pa rin. Find the area below z equals negative 1.2 using the other table. So ganun pa rin naman yung steps. May iba lang yung ating table. Express the given c value into 3-digit form. So negative 1.20. Nagdagdag lang ng 0. So yan. So this time we will use the other table. The areas are between 0 and the given z. So ganun pa rin. Locate on the left column. Locate the 1.2. Yan. So walang negative sa table na to. So 1.2. Then on the topmost row, locate 0.00. So ayan na siya. Then get their intersection. So the value corresponding to the intersection is the area between. So ayun, between 0 and 1.2. Okay, so yung intersection nila 0.3849. Pero yung area na yan ay between 0 and negative 1.2. So ito yung part na yon, 0.3849. So para makuha natin yung shaded part, yan, yung shaded part na yan, subtract the area from 0.5. Since ang area ng kalahati ng normal curve ay 0.5. So subtract the area from 0.5 para makuha yung shaded part. So 0.5, so dinagdagan ko lang ng 0 para pag sinod nyo manually. So minus 0.3849. So subtract lang natin. So pag sinubtract natin yan, the answer is 0.1151. So parehas pa rin ang sagot. Okay? Or in percent, convert lang natin sa percent, that is 11.51%. So therefore, the area below z equals negative 1.2 is 0.1151 or 11.51%. Okay? So another example. What is the area above z equals negative 2.59? So, this time, above naman. Pag sinabing above, to the right yan. So, locate muna natin, negative 2.59. So, more or less, nandito, gitna sa pagitan ng negative 3 and negative 2. Yan, so, yan, then to, above, so, to the right yan, pag sinabing above. Okay, so ito yung area na hinahanap natin. So, kita naman, medyo malaki yan. Dapat malaki yung maging makuha natin na area. Okay, so yan yung drawing natin, graph. So yan. To the right of negative 2.59. So first step, express the given c value into a 3-digit form. So okay na siya, 3 digits na kasi talaga siya, negative 2.59. Okay, next. So yan yung table na gagamitin natin, to the left lagi, para mas madali. So using the C table, find the first 2 digits, negative 2.5. 2 digits on the left column. Locate the negative 2.5 sa part na to on the leftmost column of the C table. So, nasa yung negative 2.5. So, ayun yung negative 2.5. On the topmost row, locate 0.09. Okay, so 0.09. Ayun, nasa dulo. So, 0.09. The value corresponding to the intersection is the area below z equals negative 2.59. So, kunin natin yung intersection nila. Yan, so intersection nila 0.0048. So yung 0.0048, yan yung nasa left dahil based sa table natin, lahat ng areas na yan or probabilities to the left lagi. So yung 0.0048, ito yung part na yon, yung nasa left. So paano natin kukunin yung area to the right? So para makuha natin yung area to the right or above z equals negative 2.59, subtract the area from 1. Dahil ang total area ng normal curve ay 1. Okay, subtract the area from 1. So we have 1 point, dinagdagan ng 4 na 0 para kung gusto nyo isolve manually, so subtract lang natin ang 0.0048. Okay, so when we subtract 1 minus 0.0048, the answer is 0.9952. Okay, so when we convert that to percent, that is 99.52%. So move lang natin 2 places to the right ang decimal, then put the percent symbol. Okay, so therefore this area is 0.9952. The shaded part is 0.9952. So medyo malaki siya, 99.52%. Okay, so therefore the area above z equals negative 2.59 is 0.9952, or in percent, that is 99.52%. Okay, so next example. Find the area between z equals negative 1.23 and z equals 2.37. So this time, nasa pagitan na. Okay, so drawing natin, negative 1.23. Estimate lang natin, so more or less, nandito siya. Negative 1.23. And then 2.37. So 2.37 between 2 and 3. Okay, so kunin natin yung area between. So yan. So yan yung hinahanap natin na area between negative 1.23 and 2.37. Okay, so yan yung area na hinahanap natin. So kailangan lang natin gawin, kunin natin yung area sa z equals negative 1.23 and z equals 2.37. So unahin natin itong negative 1.23. Okay, so sundin lang natin yung mga steps. Express the given c value into a 3-digit form. Okay na siya, 3-digit form na siya. Okay, so use this table to the left lagi. So locate the negative 1.2. Okay, so hanapin natin yung negative 1.2. Okay, so yan yung negative 1.2. And then on the topmost row, locate 0.03, yung third digit natin. So, nasan yung third digit? So, ayun, 0.03. Then, find their intersection. So, the value corresponding to the intersection is the area below. So, below lagi yan, ha? So, ang intersection nila is 0.1093. So, graph. Lagay natin sa graph. So, 0.1093, yan yung part na yan. So, yung may arrow to the left. Okay? So, to the left is 0.1093. Then, kunin naman natin ang area to the left of 2.37. Okay? Okay, 2.37. Nasa 3 decimal na siya. So, yan. So, locate the 2.3. Okay, so that is the 2.3. Then, on the topmost row, locate 0.07. Next, find their intersection. The intersection is 0.9911. Okay, so 0.9911 to the left of 2.37. So, lagay natin sa graph. Yan, so 0.9911 to the left. Okay, so para makuha natin yung area sa pagitan nilang dalawa, all we have to do is subtract the smaller area from the bigger area. So, kapag ang hinahanap lagi natin ay area between two z's, so ang kailangan lang natin gawin ay subtract the smaller area from the bigger area. Kapag ang ginagamit nating z table ay ito. Kapag kasi yung isang table ang ginamit natin, medyo may dalawang case pa eh. So, pag dito, madali lang. Subtract lang yung smaller sa bigger para makuha natin itong shaded part natin. Okay, so para makuha itong shaded part na to. So, ganun lang ang kailangan gawin. Subtract the smaller area from the bigger area. So, we have 0.9911 minus the smaller area, 0.1093. So, when we subtract, the answer is 0.8818. So, therefore, yan ang area natin. 0.8818 ang area na itong shaded part. Okay, so convert to percent, that is 88.18%. Therefore, the area between z equals negative 1.23 and z equals 2.37 is 0.8818 or 88.81%. Okay, so recap lang natin. So ito yung summary. So when the z value is to the left or any related terms, so example, below, less than, to the left, or not greater than, so just write the value we obtained from the z value. Okay, so kapag to the left, kung ano yung nasa table, yun na yung value niya. Then when the z value is to the right or any related terms, above, greater than, etc., subtract the obtained value from 1. And then last, when the shaded region is in between of the two z value, subtract the smaller value from the bigger value from the z table. So meron lang tayong tatlong case pag ginamit natin yung table na ng normal curve ng area ay to the left. Okay? So ulitin natin, kapag to the left, kung ano yung nasa table, yun na yung value. Kapag to the right naman, subtract from 1. Kapag in between, subtract yung smaller dun sa bigger area. Okay? So that's it. So itong mga references kong ginamit. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye and God bless.